Slow cooker honey garlic chicken noodles, a dish that is harder to say than it is to make. Super simple, just toss everything into your slow cooker. Delicious, high in protein, packed with vegetables, fiber, energy source, everything you could ask for. Delicious sauce, great tasting, easy to meal prep. Let's go. You want to start by putting 800 grams of chicken breast. I'm using frozen. To this, add 500 grams of mixed veg, 400 mLs of chicken stock. Put the lid on your slow cooker, and then you want to cook it for about 7 hours on low, 5 hours on medium, or 3 hours on high. While that's cooking, let's make the sauce. 40 grams of soy sauce, 60 grams of hoisin sauce, 40 grams of honey, 40 grams of garlic paste, 20 grams of ginger paste, 16 grams of cornstarch or cornflour if you live in the UK. To this, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and then give it a really good mix until all of your cornstarch dissolves in the liquid. Once it's done cooking, make sure to drain it, get out all the excess liquid, and if you're enjoying this type of content, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Give everything a good mix and pour in 600 grams of packet noodles, also known as pre-cooked or straight-to-wok noodles. After putting in our noodles, we want to add our sauce and then give it a good stir. Make sure to spread that sauce as much as possible, covering as much of the food as possible so all that flavor gets incorporated. And then you want to cook it on high for an extra 30 minutes to an hour so that the sauce has enough time to thicken up. This is super easy to make a meal prep. For the whole slow cooker, you're looking at 248 grams of protein, 321 grams of carbs, 26 grams of fat, 2,572 calories. However, if you divide it into 4 servings, you're looking at 62 grams of protein, 80 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, 643 calories. And there you have it, the slow cooker honey garlic chicken noodles. Super easy to meal prep, delicious with the honey garlic sauce. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out my other videos for more recipes and great content, high protein, low calorie, just like this one. Like and subscribe, I really do appreciate it, and it motivates me to keep making this. And as always, have a great day. Peace.